Hey, it's your friend Robert. I'm back again. I'm super excited to showcase a video about samosas, and this is the battle of East Africa. We do have some Somali samosa, Kenyan samosa, and Tanzanian samosa. We'll be trying all these samosas, and based off our reaction, let us know, what country do you think has the best samosa? Here with my friend Jacquee TV. Oh, Jacquee, actually. So without wasting any time now, mumble. The samosas smell really good and they look awesome. They look super yummy. Jacquee, what samosas we'll get started with?
We'll start with the Somali samosa.
The Somali, all right. So let's do it.
So which ones are the Somali?
These are the Somali ones. Yeah. Oh man, they're super big. The casing is super soft, very fluffy.
Cheers.
Cheers. Mmm. And this is the beef samosa actually, and it does have some rice inside.
No, that's what I thought.
Yeah, it does have some rice inside.
No, that's new to me.
Yeah, I've never really tried a samosa with some rice inside.
Yeah, this is very good.
Yeah, this is
Let
really
me
good.
take another bite. Shall we?
Cheers. Well, actually, yours is a chicken samosa.
Oh yeah, mine is different. Is yours spicy?
Wow. And it's not spicy.
Very flavorful as
Yeah.
well. Mine is very, very nice. Like, I've never tried samosa with rice as well, and this is new to me and I'm loving it. And
Awesome.
I feel like I'm about to take another bite before we try a different one.
Cool. Do you want to switch?
You want to switch?
Yeah.
Oh, you might have.
All right. Here you go.
And the meat is well seasoned.
The chicken one, it does have a little bit of, I think maybe cardamom, something like that. It tastes awesome.
And I feel like if you are a tea drinker,
oh yeah,
this will go perfectly.
Exactly. Oh, even for Ramadan.
Yeah,
when you're
like
breaking,
Ramadan,
when you're breaking fast.
Fasting,
perfect.
Yeah.
Awesome samosa.
Right.
I think we'll do the Tanzanian samosa.
Okay.
These are the Tanzanian samosas. You can see the casing is a little bit different. The casing is not soft. It looks like crunchy.
Yeah.
Cheers. Wow. Perfect. Take a look inside. Beef samosa. A little bit of some greens inside. A little bit of some onions.
And it's a little bit spicy.
Exactly.
Yeah. And the shell is different. Like even the texture.
This one is way different. I think this is like cilantro. It does give it like a really good aroma.
It gives a very, very good taste in it.
Aromatic. This is gonna be a really, really tough decision to make here.
But we're not gonna make that decision. They will have to.
Yeah,
they will have to go and try
you have to help us.
Right.
Which country has the best samosa?
Right.
Now we do have some Kenyan samosa. Jumbo, everyone in Kenya, Nairobi, love you.
Niaje.
Niaje. People always make fun of Swahili. Yeah,
the
Kenyan Swahili.
Yeah.
They're saying like the Kenyan Swahili is
like
way
a
different.
Pidgin Swahili, Pidgin English in Jamaica.
Yeah.
In Liberia.
We love our brothers and sisters from Kenya. And again, let's go ahead and try some Kenyan samosa.
All right, let's do this.
Let's do it. Cheers. Man, this samosa is huge.
Man,
All right, let's go ahead. Okay. Wow. Okay. I'll be quite honest. I think the Kenyan samosa resembles the Tanzanian samosa. Inside, you do have a little bit of onions. You got your cilantro. And again, this is a beef samosa. The only difference is that the casing is soft. The texture, it feels the same like the Somali. But the inside, it's pretty similar
to the Tanzanian
one.
Right.
Now, what I think, the reason why is because in Tanzania, they do have a very strong influence of Middle Eastern influence, especially like in the coastal area of Tanzania. Right. And the same thing goes to Kenya, you know, the coastal region, which is Mombasa.
Right.
and Dar es Salaam in Tanzania. The reason why I feel like their cuisine when it comes to samosa, pretty much
it's
the same. But yeah, this one is good too. I like it. The onions, the cilantro.
The only difference I feel like with Tanzanian samosa is the shell, but they're all flavorful. You know,
very flavorful.
They're all flavorful. The Somali samosas are also.
Exactly, they're
like
very unique.
It's very hard to decide.
Exactly,
like
they're
which,
very unique because again, you do have the rice inside.
Yeah, and that's the thing
that
caught me. Like, I've never tried sambusa. Sambusa in Swahili.
Sambusa, actually,
in Tanzania, we call it sambusa.
Hoyo's sambusa.
Yeah, but okay, samosa for those who can pronounce the sambusa.
Right.
Yeah, but I feel like they're all. The ingredients are almost the same.
Yep.
But the Somali one is a little bit different. And with the rice, that's...
Yeah, it puts the Somali samosa on its own category for sure.
Yeah.
But yeah, this has been an amazing experience.
Right.
Please comment, let us know. What country do you think has the best samosa? Man, thank you again for watching the video. Thank you for sharing. Thank you for commenting. And again, please consider subscribing to my channel if you have not. And
put your notification on so you can get notified whenever you're posting your video.
Awesome. Thank you, Jackie. Thank you so much. And again, Jackie has her own YouTube channel as well. It's called Rafiki TV. I'll leave the link to her channel. So please go ahead and, you know, support her and subscribe.
And I promise I'll be consistent.
Awesome. So tell them a little bit about your channel.
Oh, my channel is about beauty, fashion, and lifestyle. And I'm about to start vlogging as well. So yeah, so be on the lookout and please go ahead and check my channel. Don't forget to subscribe.
Thank you so much, guys. Until next time, Kwaheri.
Bye.